Welcome to SaliqaMag. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make A-line dress with lining, step-by-step instruction. Even beginners can follow this tutorial. I need 2.5 meter fabric. So let's start our tutorial first. First, we will mark our lining, and first of all, I just mark here the shoulder line, that is here 7.5, and armhole line, that is 8 inches here, and then the chest line, that is 9.75. This is a standard medium size dress that I'm going to make, and you can mark according to your measurement. And guys, if you are absolute beginner, you can watch my course, that is how to make a dress for beginners. You can check the playlist in the same channel. So see, from the waistline I'm just increasing my this line, so that I will get a A-line shape here, and after that I will cut this, and this is 4/4 fabric. And now I'm going to mark the neckline, that is here 2.5 inches, and after that I just mark here 1/2 inch upside and 1/2 inch down, and 1/2 inch outside, and I just mark all this line to make a slant line here because our shoulder is slant. Then I will just mark here like this way and just make here a shape. And neckline, obviously you can keep as your choice. Now I just mark all the seam allowances all the way 1 inch. Only in the armhole I add only the 1/2 inch. So now on this corner you can make here the shape if you want. And now this is my printed fabric, and this is a directional fabric, so I need to cut it so that my print will go in the same direction, the front and back. So now this is the 4/4 fabric, and I place my lining fabric on this, and I will just cut exactly according to my lining. Then I will show you how you can stitch this, so don't skip the video. And guys, if you like this video, please press a thumbs up button. So now I will cut the neckline, front neckline, because obviously on front I need a little deeper. Now it's time to stitch. First I will take one piece of the lining and one piece of the actual fabric, and I will just stitch here on the neckline. And guys, before stitching I also did the serger, the overlock, because my fabric has very frayed type of fabric. So I just stitched the neckline, and after that I will mark here the small cuts, and make sure you will use the steam press and properly press it, so achieve a very neat look. And after that also stitch here this side. So guys, I just stitched the necklines with the lining, and I just turn it the outer way, and now just hold from here. This is the right side of my dress, and I just match the right side on the right side, and the shoulder line with the shoulder line, and I just pin up it here, and you can see my lining is matching with the lining fabric and my actual fabric with the actual fabric. So that's how you have to pin up. And so guys, I just stitched my both shoulders, and also I did the top stitch on my neckline. So now it's time to stitch the armholes. So if you are making a sleeveless dress, your armhole will be with the good finish. So see here, I just fold it like this way. Now match the right side with the right side and this stitching line with the stitching line and pin up it. And don't worry, it's a bit tricky but when you will do, you will better understand. Now your armhole is matching with your armhole, and with your printed fabric is matching with your lining fabric. That's how it's going to be stitched. Now only just 2-3 pins. After that I'm on my machine and I will do stitching and keep making my fabric equal, and will stitch all my armhole. So guys, I just completed both my armhole, and you see when we stitch the curve, it will something in this shape, and you have to turn it, and you can see now your armhole is finished with perfect finishing. And you can top stitch here as we did in the neckline. And after top stitching, you will need to stitch the sides. How you can stitch? Just hold from here one side, the back and the front, match your this stitching line and pin up here. And after this, match your printed fabric with the printed fabric. These are the fitting lines, side stitchings. So now the printed fabric is with printed fabric, pin up it. And after that, the lining fabric with the lining fabric. That's how you will pin up all the fabric, and it will be a straight line. So according to your measurement, that's how you can stitch. Obviously there is a little curve on the waistline, so just stitch all the way. Fitting lines, if you feel your corners is a little more down, you can make here this shape, or you can keep it as it is. It's up to you. If you want a design, you can keep it this way as well. So now after cutting, it's time to finish your hemline. You can fold it here, and I actually just did the serger or peak or overlock here. So that's how you have to fold it. So hope guys you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to press the thumbs up button and subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know if you want to learn anything. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.